Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. I'm Chef Mark, and I'm here with a great grilling tip. It is, in my opinion, the best time to grill here in the fall because it's cooler outside. You're not standing over a hot grill, and it's 100 degrees out. And I had a great question the other day. How do you use your hand to help determine doneness on a steak? That's a great question. So let me demonstrate here. If I'm grilling a steak and I poke at it, when I'm touch the steak, what I'm feeling for is how much it rebounds, how quickly it springs back. So let me demonstrate here. If I hold my palm open and I touch the fat part of my palm, that's nice and soft. And that's soft like a rare steak. Touch the steak, touch my hand if they're similar, that's a rare steak. And if I go thumb to index finger, don't squeeze, just nice and loose, and I feel that it's a little bit firmer, like a medium rare steak. Thumb driving finger, slightly firmer. That's gonna feel like a medium steak or chicken. Very similar there. Thumb to index finger, or ring finger rather, firm like a medium well steak, and then finally to pinky, well done. Okay, so rare, medium, medium well, and well done. Now, this is just a guideline, and it's there to demonstrate to you how you can help determine doneness without having to rely on a thermometer or a best educated guess. And remember, time is the worst indicator of doneness. So if somebody says, I always cook my steaks for 4 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the other, and they always come out perfect. Well, that's because they're maybe buying the same steak every single time, same ounceage, and quite frankly, maybe they're getting lucky. So the best consistency for doneness really is a thermometer, but really you can't replace experience. So try relying on this, the touch method. You also notice when you're cooking steaks or chicken or pork, things will shrink. And that's what I look for, is how much they shrink. And I kind of take a mental note, a mental snapshot of how big it is, and then as it shrinks, I can kind of just see that the doneness has achieved its proper doneness. Now, granted, I've been cooking for 30 years. I've cooked hundreds of thousands of steaks. That's probably no exaggeration. So give the hand method a shot. Let me know how it works for you. And if you have questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. Thanks for liking and subscribing.